Hello, math friends. Today we are here and we're going to talk about sequences. When I think about sequences, I think about a sequence of motions that can be recorded in a picture. Or sometimes I think about fashion and I think about sequin dresses, especially the one I wore to prom back in the 90s. Pretty awesome. Today, I invited somebody special here to help me talk about mathematical sequence, like arithmetic and geometric sequences, and that's what we're going to try to master today. The friend that I brought along is Dr. Math. Say hello, Dr. Math.
Hello, boys and girls. I'm glad to be here.
So, Dr. Math, I would like if you could help us try to pick out these different sequences and determine, are they arithmetic, are they geometric, or are they neither? So let's get started. How about this one, Dr. Math? What do you think? Arithmetic, geometric,
Simple, girls, simple. I would go with arithmetic
arithmetic. How come?
because I like the number 4.
Awesome. I also like 4, but could you be a little more specific about why you think it's an arithmetic sequence? Is there something that you notice when moving from term to term in the sequence?
You're going from left to right.
True. You are going from left to right. Is there any mathematical operation that you're noticing happening?
Ooh, ooh, ooh. You're adding 20.
Oh, adding 20. Interesting. Let's just pay attention what happens as we look at some of the other sequences. Like this one. What do you think?
I would say it's probably neither
Neither. How come?
because neither is pink and all the numbers are pink here too.
That is a really awesome observation, Dr. Math. Do you notice any relationship between the numbers?
Well, let's see. It goes up by 5, and then they added another 5, but then they added 11. No, not really. No.
Nothing good there, huh?
No.
Okay, let's just keep on trucking. How about this one?
Interesting. Here, I think it's one of those neithers again.
Neither's again. No good pattern between the numbers, huh?
Not really, no.
All right, let's take a look at this one. How about here?
No, that one's a little bit different. I'm going to say that one should go in geometric because geometric starts with a G, and so does the color green, and those are green, so they must be geometric. Yes.
You are really good at noticing things, Dr. Math. But do you notice anything about mathematically what happens when we move from one term to the next?
They become less.
They do. They do become less. What kind of operation could we use to move from term to term, do you think?
Well, subtraction would make it less, but I don't think so. It looks like you might be dividing by 3.
Oh, dividing by 3. If we wanted to write that in terms of multiplication, we could do it that way too. Do you know what we'd be multiplying by, Dr. Math, if we divide by 3?
Times 1/3.
Ah, very nice. That's kind of cool how we can say it either way. Let's look at another one. How about this one? Okay, Dr. Math, what do you think here? This is kind of a tricky one. What do you think's happening?
I'm thinking that it looks like you're adding a -3.
Ooh, adding a -3. We could probably also talk about that as subtracting 3. Either way would work, don't you think?
Yeah, so I'd put a arithmetic, yeah. Yep,
Yeah,
definitely.
very nice.
Definitely.
Very nice. How about this one?
I'm not very good with decimals. It looks like it's going up by ×2, so I'm going to say geometric.
Oh, geometric, and you're noticing the pattern of ×2. Interesting. I like to see how you're grouping these. How about this one? What do you think?
Well, if I were going to say it looks like it's getting bigger, and it's getting bigger by 8 each time, so that'd be like adding 8. I'd go with arithmetic.
Very nice. Adding 8, and you're thinking arithmetic. Very nice. And how about this last one here? What do you think about this one? Kind of tricky with some variables in there, don't you think?
Yes. But being Dr. Math, I should be able to figure this one out. I'm going to go with geometric.
Geometric. And what are you noticing about the pattern? How are the terms related? What are they going up by?
Well, it looks like it's going up by times 2a each time.
Very nice, times 2a. All right, so when I look at how you organize things here, Dr. Math, I notice in the arithmetic, all of them seem to be dealing with addition and subtraction. So I'm thinking that how I can tell if something's arithmetic is if it's a sequence that goes up or down using addition or subtraction, those first two operations. What do you think? Think that's a good idea?
Love it.
Love it. All right. Let's look at the geometric ones. When I look at what you did here with the geometric, what I am noticing is it looks like you're either multiplying or dividing when moving from term to term in the sequence. Would you agree with that?
You are correct.
So here it's all about multiply and divide. And then what I notice over here, what the ones you put in neither, they don't seem to have any constant pattern when moving from term to term. Do you think that's true?
You are correct.
No constant pattern. That's pretty cool. So I don't know, mathematicians, I think you should be set with the help of Dr. Math to be able to pick out arithmetic, geometric, or sequences that are neither. Go to work.